Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to send commands to particular department user in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective shipment or job. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this job page, we have to click the commands menu. Here, we have to type the commands and choose the corresponding department to notify the commands. Now the commands will be notified to the particular department user. Users can view the commands by clicking the commands option on the dashboard. This is how to send commands to particular department user in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.